Mode switching problems on Oral-B IO toothbrushes are common issues, especially affecting models IO4 through IO10 since the series launched in 2020. There are four main types of mode button issues you might encounter. The button might become completely unresponsive, cycle through modes improperly, get stuck in a single mode, or switch modes randomly during use. The first troubleshooting method is a simple hardware reset. Start by holding the mode button for 10 to 15 seconds while the toothbrush is completely off. Next, place the toothbrush on its charger for exactly 30 seconds, then remove it and test the mode cycling functionality. If the hardware reset doesn't work, try the physical cleaning method. First, ensure the toothbrush is completely powered off. Then clean around the mode button with a dry cotton swab. Remove any debris or moisture that might interfere with button function. Then allow the toothbrush to dry for 2 to 4 hours before testing the mode switching again. Finally, experiment with different pressure levels when pressing the mode button. Some IO models require specific pressure to register button presses properly. Try varying between light taps, firm presses, sustained pressure, and pressing the button at different angles. These initial troubleshooting steps often resolve simple mechanical issues affecting mode selection. These hardware-based troubleshooting methods successfully resolve the majority of basic mode switching problems on Oral-B IO toothbrushes. When hardware solutions don't resolve mode switching issues, firmware problems are often the culprit. The most effective approach is using the Oral-B app to check for and install firmware updates. Critical requirement: always keep the toothbrush on the charger during firmware updates. This prevents power interruption that could corrupt the firmware and cause permanent damage. If app-based updates fail, try a manual firmware reset. This process involves holding both the power and mode buttons simultaneously for 20 seconds, then immediately placing the toothbrush on the charger. Low battery levels frequently cause mode switching problems. Always ensure your toothbrush has at least 75% charge before troubleshooting. Proper charging habits are essential for optimal performance. Prevention is key to avoiding future firmware issues. Regularly update firmware through the app, maintain proper charging habits, and store your toothbrush in a dry environment away from moisture. If these troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, contact Oral-B support. This is especially important if your toothbrush is under warranty, shows physical damage, or if multiple functions beyond mode switching are affected.